Wednesday, so I thought I would just share what I did this morning. I cleared out a bunch of stuff, and it's really cool because now these plants that I didn't even they had no light from that tomato. I took out a tomato, some watermelon, and one of those pumpkin vines. This watermelon's looking pretty sad, but it's still got watermelon on it, so I left it. But now hopefully my pepper can get some sun. It's just a little green bell pepper and, my basil. So the cantaloupe is coming all the way over to here, from over there. The butternut's doing well. There's a couple popping up. And we ate one last night and it was so yummy. So there's one there. There's another one here. Another little one there. So, picked a cantaloupe this morning and a watermelon. Oh, yesterday I picked a cantaloupe and it turned out it was a honeydew, I guess, because it was green and it was ripe and it was good. But it looked just like a cantaloupe. So, look at these giant radishes. I was just letting my radishes go because they're pretty and the bees, land on the flowers, and then they eventually make those pods and they're pretty good. But I just decided to do some clearing today. And it's so nice. It looks so nice. So get some compost in there and get ready for what's going down next. I got a cucumber to save seeds from, one to eat, some carrot seed harvest, a pretty good looking cantaloupe. Pretty sure this watermelon's ready because all the signs were there and the plant was dead. So I don't know. I'll go find out. I'll let you know in the description if it was ripe. But yeah, it's a late July clear up session. So have a great day. Stay cool wherever you are. Bye.